Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AUPH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very impressive bounce. And when you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down there, and then the price has since managed to bounce back up to that area of the chart. Sure, there's still a lot of work that needs to be done, but regardless, from where it was there to where it closed, that was definitely a good, solid move. But that does lead to the valid question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make it, mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at, let's see, $3.90. Why is $3.90 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $3.90. If the price were to go down there and then just continue on down, what would that be doing with the price? Well, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of that area of the chart where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And again, going back, not a sign of true power. Whereas let's say the price did come down here, however, in this situation, behave like that before starting to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress is being defined as 390. What about levels of resistance going forward? From that point of view, just keep an eye on the purple line up there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, so as Friday and then next week plays out, that line will move itself further and further downwards. So keep an overall eye on that. But as of right now, top priority, at least in my opinion, is just all about going through some healthy consolidations now and starting to chip away and build higher lows. So anyway, look at it. Great movement today. Now it's just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward? Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.